we will see how to print this pattern. Okay, we'll see how to write the Java program to print this pattern. So here in the pattern, if you observe, see there are spaces in the first row. After that it is printing star, right? So we have to write like how many spaces are there in the first row. 1 space, 2 space, 3 space, right? Totally 1 2 3 4 5 6 spaces are there. Okay, at the 7th place it is printing the element, right? So spaces are starting from 6. Okay, in the last row we don't have any space. Okay, so spaces are starting from 6 to 1. Okay, and the elements, if you observe, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? In the first row 1 element is there, in the second row 2 elements, like that. Okay, so spaces are in the decreasing order and the stars elements are in the increasing order, right? So we have to take one out for loop for the each row and 2 inner for loops. One is for printing spaces and one is to print the stars. Okay, we'll see how to write the program. Okay, so as you know already, it's a class, it's a main method, and it's a scanner class to enter the rows from the keyboard. And this is the, after that, whatever number we are printing on the keyboard, we are storing it in the variable n. After that we are printing output pattern. Okay, so now we will see how to write the program to print this pattern. So pattern 44, right? Okay, 1 2 3 4. So elements are in the increasing order and spaces are in the decreasing order. Okay, first of all, for the each row I am writing one outer for loop for int I equal to 1. Okay, I less than or equal to n and I plus plus. After that, sorry, here, and after that I have to print element first. So I'm print. So first of all I have to print the spaces, after that elements, right? So this is the for loop to print the spaces. Okay, so the spaces are starting from number 6, right? In the first row 6 spaces are there, right? So how we will get 6? N is n minus 1. Suppose if n is 7, 7 minus 1, 6 spaces, right? So I have to take j is equal to n minus 1, n minus 1, and j greater than or equal to I, and j minus minus. Spaces are in the decreasing order from 6 to 1, right? That's why we have to take j minus minus. After that, so I am printing here space 1 space. Okay, here I have to declare int. After that I have to print the elements, right? So to print the elements I am writing another for loop for int. So elements, how the stars are in each row. Okay, for the first row 1 star, 2 star, like that, right? So elements are in the increasing order from 1 to 7. For int j equal to 1, j less than or equal to I, and j plus plus. After that I am writing I'm printing star. Okay, I am adding spaces also in between the stars. Okay, so for that I am adding one space beside star. Okay, so after that it has to come to the next line. Okay, we'll do one thing. Control A and Control Shift F to format the code. Okay, Control A, Control Shift F, Control A, Control Shift F. Okay, so you will see now how the pattern will print. So I'm entering 7. Whatever, this is what we want to print, right? First row spaces are there, after that element 2 3 4 5 6 7 like that. Okay, yeah, this is how I have to write the Java program to print this pattern. Okay, so this is the outer follow for the each row, and after that spaces we are printing. Spaces are starting from 6 to 1, right? That's why we are starting from n-1 to this condition, like j greater than or equal to I. Till this condition will fail, it will print the spaces from 6 to 1. Okay, after that so spaces are in the decreasing order, we are writing j minus minus. After that, just to print the elements, so elements are in the decreasing order. If you observe, in the first row 1 star, in the second row 2 star, like that. So that's why from 1 to 7. So j less than or equal to I, j plus plus you have to write. Okay, so hope you understand. If you have any doubts, please comment below. Thank you.